introduction of funclespeaker and j-wasp. Today we're not doing verses, but we're doing and. And today we are gonna be unboxing the Note 9. This is the box where you get this is just what you get after you unwrapped your career thingy.
So there is a $1,000 phone that's in here, and we are going to try to be super excited for this video because this is just new. My dad just bought it just now.
And this one is the Note 9 512 gigabytes, which we just got on special. It is 1,500 Australian dollars, AUD.
So we are going to be unboxing this dope thing that is great. So now we are going to try to unbox it.
Okay, are we ready?
It's kind of hard. Can we have a little bit of help? Bring us some scissors.
j-wasp going to do the cutting. You know where you're gonna do it. From here to here. Actually, let's do that.
Oh no.
Thanks j-wasp for helping.
It's not really all.
Well, I guess we are doing this.
I don't know because I really want
just cut from. This is probably not the best way.
No, I don't think so. That's not so neat. No, I don't think so. That's so neat.
Oh no.
Oh.
No. I have to do it like this. Still serious. I have to do it like this thing. I'm really uncomfortable doing this. I can't do this.
Is it because...
Come on, let's get...
Let's get a knife, actually. Sorry, I'm out.
We need an unboxing knife. Because this seriously does not work.
Okay.
We got to...
No, we have to... Okay, fine, we'll rip it.
Oh no.
I don't think
there's a magic content in this box. Hang on, what is that? I see something. That's the
foam case.
We just need to unbox this. Focus on unboxing. I think that's the phone box. This really isn't the best way.
Oh,
come on.
Everything.
You do the other side. We need a touch of teamwork.
Not so.
This is the phone box over here. You see it?
Yeah.
Audience?
This is not happening. We have to work together in the same... No, this truck... What? I don't want to break this. I really don't. I can't rip it.
Wait, I see the S Pen.
S Pen where?
No, I just see the outline.
Oh!
And this is the phone box itself.
It's great. Look at
now
it.
It says 512 gigabytes.
That's a lot. I mean, not so much. Yeah, it's a lot. Okay, so now
we need to duck down.
Okay, now there is...
Now what?
Now we have... No, we have to go from the bottom. What? I guess we have to cut space.
No. Like this? Hang on, this way might be possible. Hang on, this is the opening. You can do.
No, you're not wrong. Look at this.
Yeah, this is.
I don't
This
know
is not
how
the best way to unbox something. I repeat, the color is ocean blue. And Dizzy Snowman is helping us out because it is his phone.
But he really just doesn't.
Hang on, now we can do it manually now.
No, but only if you rip it off.
We need to do more.
Okay. Good. Great.
Well,
Now,
the
this
box.
dope thing.
The S Pen. It has a top plate
dope.
thing. Now we should.
I think we should do it sideways. Oh, it's sideways? I never saw a phone like that.
Make sure that it's
Samsung.
Yeah, here is the case.
Another slide.
Yeah, this is the actual case.
I can't believe.
And this seal needs to be broken.
How?
Because the package is sealed.
Oh, yeah.
No, don't peel it. We're using a knife.
Knife.
Okay, so Dizzy Snowman is gonna take the seal off.
No, but you don't see it, guys, right? So, anyways, what should we do? This is not plastic.
So the box is here.
Is this plastic?
Look at the flashy writing.
This is the
the phone
actual
itself.
phone. Don't. No, there's something. There's a stick.
It's a sticker.
It guides you. Do you see it?
I bet this. Oh, I see the thing over here.
Okay.
We are not gonna start the phone just yet.
So.
We got to give you the other parts. So here is the phone, and here is the flashy whatever it is, the fingerprint.
And it kind of looks like.
And it has smart switch.
It kind of looks like the leather one, but
And it has
it's
a
not
USB.
really.
It has a.
And it
It
has
has
a charge. This is the
USB.
charge.
The fast charge. And
Oh,
look at
headphones,
this
headphones.
headset. You have to show it.
So
Hang on.
these is headphones. This
is
is
the
the
eject
charge.
pin, whatever it is.
And I don't know. These are
This might come in useful
cables.
later.
I think these are cables for that.
And there has to be a battery.
And there's little bit stuff here. I think this is the battery. Actually, no. Okay,
That has to be. It has to be somewhere.
maybe it's already in.
Unless it's already in the phone. What is in this place?
I don't know.
There's the eject pin
this
for
the cover?
SD. No, that is not. That
Huh.
does not look like the cover.
Where is?
But yes, it does look good on the phone. Except for it has this thing.
It's a little bit bigger, right? So look at the back. It's ocean blue. It looks great.
Don't swipe because the back is glass.
I know. Oh my goodness. That looks amazing.
We don't need to take the back protection off just yet.
I don't know what these are
I
for.
bet the battery
I
is
mean,
already in the phone.
But
It has to be already in the phone.
okay.
And then there's nothing else. Except for the things we don't know what is in here.
It looks like it's something. I have to rip this off. Sorry, guys.
Don't. Dizzy Snailman says don't do it.
What? Do what?
Open it from the top.
How do I? Oops.
Yeah,
This?
no, from the top I can see. Yeah, no, don't rip it. Don't rip anything from this box. From the top, you can open it like chocolate. Ah, okay.
This.
It's an eject pin.
Just looks like a.
That will come in
needle.
useful next time. If you want to add, if you want to add. Oh,
what's
that's the case.
This is
The silicone case. I bet we should add it.
No, but we have to first rip No, rip it off.
No, don't touch the back. Otherwise it will like...
Whoa, that looks great for our new game.
Samsung,
This is amazing.
I have a feedback. This is super dope.
Can't believe it.
OMG, and we didn't even start to do
Things on it.
yeah, and we're already impressed.
This
What
is
effort?
so good outside. I can't believe
What
it.
outside?
I'm going to
This
try.
is the silicone case. This is how it
I
looks with the
think
silicone
I
on.
think the background on the
Background. I'm
back
correcting you.
of all the like apps, it look so amazing.
And do you know why I now like the silicone case?
What?
Because when you get dirty, you can just swipe that dirt off.
Oh, that's good.
And now let's see what chime it has.
I
Do
don't
you
know.
think we shall start it up?
I guess.
So we are doing now the booting. Is that right?
Yeah, I think we done another
This is going to be correct.
So, let's see your booting.
I wonder if it's the right button.
I don't know.
Yeah, this is.
Oh, that looks so great.
Yeah, it says Note 9 powered by Android.
Android?
That start is so cool.
I know. It's going so great now. Don't look at it. It's very great. Look at Samsung. He's like
The phone, starting Android. The battery is 70.
Hi there, guys. It's a
Start.
time.
Start.
Start it, please. Look at.
I just don't want to show you our internet. So this is the phone booted up and with its settings all ready. And here is the S Pen. It is actually quite cool.
I think it can. I heard that it can control stuff. I don't know what this button does, but
Yeah, so this is how.
I know the other button makes pictures.
This is the start of what it can do, and I'll show you the selfie quality. Like this is where it's looking backwards. What's the turnaround camera? Okay. Now you see it. You see the phone while you're using it to record.
Oh no!
But
Professional.
anyways, we are gonna wrap up this video because we had such a good time with the Note 9. We're gonna see you next time.
Okay? Yeah.
And you should see me.
Yeah.
Do you see me in the camera?
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, I see you.
So anyways, that's the first amount of the big things that Note 9 can do. There's much more exciting to this. We're gonna make another video on this. So subscribe to the channel for more and leave a big fat like.
Thank you. Good job.